Rethinking sugar, when and how to use it for optimal health and performance. In today's health-conscious world, sugar often finds itself in the crosshairs of nutritional criticism. Frequently labeled as a villain in the dietary landscape, sugar has been blamed for various health issues, including obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. However, this perspective fails to acknowledge the nuances of sugar consumption. When consumed mindfully and strategically, particularly by active individuals, sugar can provide significant benefits. Understanding the optimal timing for sugar intake is crucial to harnessing its advantages while minimizing potential downsides. The case for sugar: not all bad. Sugar, specifically in the form of simple carbohydrates, serves as a primary energy source for the body. For individuals engaging in physical activity, sugar can be a valuable ally. The key lies in knowing when and how to incorporate it into one's diet. Consuming sugar at the right times can enhance athletic performance, support recovery, and even improve mental focus. However, consuming it at inappropriate times can lead to energy crashes, fat storage, and other long-term health risks. Optimal timing for sugar consumption. 1. Before exercise. One of the best times to consume sugar is approximately 30 to 60 minutes before engaging in physical activity. Simple sugars are quick energy sources that elevate blood glucose levels, providing fuel for muscles during workouts. For instance, eating a banana, a few dates, or a small amount of honey can give you the necessary energy to perform optimally in high-intensity exercises like weightlifting, running, or cycling. This pre-workout sugar intake can help prevent fatigue and ensure that you get the most out of your exercise session. 2. After exercise. Post-workout is another critical time for sugar consumption. During exercise, the body depletes its glycogen reserves, the primary source of energy stored in muscles. Consuming sugar after a workout can help replenish these glycogen stores quickly, facilitating faster recovery. Pairing sugar with protein, such as in a smoothie made with fruit and whey protein, can further enhance muscle repair and growth. This combination ensures that your body is well prepared for the next physical challenge ahead. 3. In the morning. Eating a small amount of sugar in the morning can provide a quick boost of mental and physical energy. After an overnight fast, glycogen stores are low, and a modest intake of sugar from natural sources, such as fruits, can kickstart your day without causing a significant blood sugar spike. A balanced breakfast option, like oatmeal topped with fresh berries, offers sustained energy and focus, setting a positive tone for the day. When to avoid sugar. Despite its benefits, certain times are best avoided for sugar consumption, notably before bedtime. Consuming sugar in the evening can lead to an increase in insulin levels, which may interfere with the release of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep. The sudden spike in sugar can also make it challenging to fall asleep, disrupting your overall sleep quality. Instead of sugary snacks, consider low-sugar options like nuts or warm milk, which promote better sleep without unnecessary calorie intake. The role of stress and sugar cravings. Sugar cravings can often arise during periods of stress, as the body demands glucose for energy. Natural sugars found in fruits can help improve focus and mitigate stress-induced fatigue. However, it is essential to steer clear of refined sugars, which can lead to a rapid energy surge followed by a crash, further exacerbating stress and diminishing productivity. Opting for nutrient-rich snacks, such as an apple with almond butter, can satisfy cravings while providing essential vitamins and minerals. Choosing the right type of sugar. Not all sugars are created equal, and the source matters significantly. Natural sugars derived from fruits, honey, and dairy products are preferable to processed sugars found in candies, pastries, and sodas. Natural sources often come with additional nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which can help prevent sharp spikes in blood sugar levels. For instance, pairing fruit with a source of protein can stabilize blood sugar levels and prolong feelings of fullness. Making sugar your ally. To make sugar a beneficial part of your diet, consider the following strategies. Pair sugar with protein or fiber. This practice helps stabilize blood sugar levels and prolongs energy release. Opt for natural sources. Choose fruits, jaggery, or honey over refined sugars whenever possible. Time it right. Consume sugar pre- and post-workout, or during periods of high energy demand. Avoid sugary drinks and processed snacks. These often lack nutritional value and contribute to excessive sugar intake without beneficial effects. Sugar need not be the enemy in your diet. By understanding the importance of timing and the types of sugar consumed, active individuals can strategically incorporate sugar into their nutrition for optimal health and performance. Whether it's fueling a workout, aiding recovery, or providing a quick energy boost in the morning, sugar can play a positive role when consumed in moderation and at the right times. Embrace sugar as a friend rather than a foe, and make informed choices that support both your physical activity and overall well-being.